Life can be difficult. Things happen that make us angry. We might feel frustrated or upset. It's normal to feel this way sometimes. But too much anger can hurt us. It can hurt our relationships and our health. We need to find healthy ways to manage anger. Many people are looking for natural ways to feel calmer. They want to find peace and balance in their lives. Crystals can be helpful tools on this journey. Crystals have been used for centuries. Ancient cultures believed in their power. Today, many people still find comfort in them. Crystals offer a gentle way to support our well-being. Crystals are beautiful. They come in many colors and shapes, but they are more than just pretty stones. They have energy that vibrates. This energy can interact with our own energy. Think of it like this. Our emotions have energy too. Anger feels intense and fiery. Crystals like amethyst have a calming energy. When we use amethyst, its energy can help to soothe our anger. It's like a gentle whisper, reminding us to find peace. Each crystal has a unique vibration. This means each crystal can help us in different ways. Some crystals are known for promoting peace. Others help us release negative emotions. Amethyst is a wonderful crystal for anger. It is known for its calming and peaceful energy. This purple crystal helps to quiet the mind. It can help us to feel less stressed and overwhelmed. Amethyst is also connected to our intuition. It can help us to understand our emotions better. When we understand our anger, we can begin to heal it. You can keep amethyst with you during the day. Carry a small tumbled stone in your pocket, or wear it as jewelry. This way, you can benefit from its calming energy all day long. Section 4. Rose Quartz. Open your heart, let go of anger. This chapter is dedicated to exploring the healing properties of rose quartz. Rose quartz is the stone of love and compassion. It is known for its gentle and soothing energy. It helps us to open our hearts and feel more forgiving. This crystal encourages us to embrace love and let go of past grievances. Often, anger stems from hurt feelings. By addressing these feelings, we can begin to heal. Rose quartz reminds us to be kind to ourselves and others. It teaches us the importance of self-love and empathy. This beautiful pink crystal helps us to release negative emotions. It acts as a gentle guide towards emotional balance. It encourages forgiveness and understanding. These qualities are essential for personal growth and harmony. This can be very helpful when dealing with anger towards ourselves or others. It allows us to see situations from a place of love. Hold rose quartz during meditation. Feel its calming energy envelop you. Visualize its pink light filling you with love and peace. Imagine this light dissolving any anger or resentment. You can also place a rose quartz crystal on your heart while you rest. Let its energy work on healing your emotional wounds. Section 5. Black Tourmaline, your protective shield. Black tourmaline is a powerful protector, known for its ability to shield us from negative energies. It helps to deflect negative energy, including anger directed at you, and can absorb electromagnetic smog from electronic devices. Think of it as a shield that blocks negativity, creating a barrier between you and harmful influences. This can be especially helpful if you are in a situation that triggers your anger or stress, providing a sense of calm and protection. Black tourmaline also helps to ground us, connecting us to the Earth's energy. When we feel grounded, we feel more centered and calm, allowing us to handle life's challenges with grace. We are less likely to react with anger or frustration, maintaining our inner peace. Place black tourmaline near your front door to create a protective barrier for your home. This can help to create a peaceful atmosphere in your home, promoting harmony and tranquility. You can also carry it with you for protection when you are out in the world, ensuring you stay shielded from negativity wherever you go. Section 6. Starting your crystal journey. Starting with crystals is easy and can be a deeply rewarding experience. Choose a crystal that resonates with you. It could be the color, the shape, or even the energy you feel when you hold it. You might be drawn to its color or shape. Trust your intuition and let it guide you. Your intuition will guide you to the right crystal for your needs. Cleanse your crystal before you use it to ensure it is free from any previous energies. You can do this by holding it under running water, allowing the natural flow to purify it. Or leave it outside under the moonlight, which is a powerful cleanser. This helps to clear any previous energies and recharge the crystal. Remember, crystals are here to support you on your journey. They are not a quick fix, but rather a gentle aid in your personal growth. Be patient and open to their gentle energy, allowing it to work over time. Over time, you may notice a difference in your emotional well-being and overall balance. Find your calm, crystal clear, and let the journey begin.